Question 2. The correct answer is C. C. The Western Shoshone are mentioned because they were forced by circumstances to depend on smaller animals. The text refers to them relying on small game because large game was scarce. A is incorrect because the text doesn't say that they understood the benefits of large mammals. B is incorrect because the text doesn't say that they preferred insects because of their utility in their daily lives. D is incorrect because the text doesn't say they suffered from deprivation. Question 3. The correct answer is D. The answer to this relies on noticing that the stem says the loss of interest in insects as food may have mainly been related to, and the text says this pivotal change in lifestyle, that is, from hunter-gatherer to farmer, combined with the uncertain nature of insects as a staple food, possibly contributed. A is incorrect because it was one reason only. B is incorrect because it was one reason only. C is incorrect because it was one reason only. Question 4. The correct answer is A, the writer. This is because there are two areas mentioned. Both of these areas in paragraph C of the text are sentences that do not have a reference. They are therefore the words of the writer. These are the first sentence and the fifth sentence, beginning with increasing urbanisation. B is incorrect because de Foliart states that undomesticated food sources became less important, which doesn't relate to the stem. C is incorrect because the UN reference comments on the effects of urbanisation in Western countries compared with those in tropical rural areas, which is not related to the stem. D is incorrect because Amar refers to the minor importance of locusts in the Fertile Crescent, which does not relate to the stem. The correct answer is D. The sentence in the text is, in short, the acceptance or rejection of entomophagy is a question of culture. In short means the same as in summary, and the stem is a paraphrase of this sentence. A is incorrect because it refers to the emotion of disgust and its relationship to food rejection. B is incorrect because the writers consider that the emotions trigger feelings of disgust. C is incorrect because the only sentence not referenced is the third last one, commencing, aside from basic human emotions, and this refers to the origins of disgust. Question 7. The key words are body size, insects, linked with. This is a WH question, asking for a connection with something else related to body size. Scanning through paragraph F, we have body size is related to, where related to is a paraphrase of linked with. The answer is therefore insect metabolism. This is the answer. Metabolism without insect is also correct. Question 8. The key words are what, name, process, enables, interchange, gases, insects, bodies. This is also a WH question asking for the name of a process. Scanning further through paragraph F, there is a description of how insects breathe, with a comparison to humans. The sentence beginning, "the gases are mainly exchanged," and here exchange is a synonym for enables the interchange, and then by diffusion. The answer is therefore diffusion. Question 10. The keywords are what insect, advisable, Native Americans, avoid. Scanning further through paragraph G, we have a list of insects and then a mention of Native Americans. The first mention relates to the Mormon cricket, but then there is information about the oak processionary caterpillar and then a list of medical conditions it causes, followed by should not be eaten. That is, it should be avoided. So the answer is oak processionary caterpillar. This is a why question, which means you're looking for a reason. The keywords are why, no active insect species, temperate zones, winter. We can see that we're looking at paragraph H because we can see these words in that bullet point. We can see that the answer is insects, they hibernate. There is no other alternative than this. There is no need to survive cold winters, as it is included in the question. This is a referent question, one that refers back to previous information. The keywords are in relation to, insect species, such knowledge, refer to, known. This answer is a little tricky as it involves reducing the information to fit 6 words, as well as substituting a word or using your own words. The actual words are locals know where and when to collect a wide range of insect species. The question already includes insect species and something being known, so you don't need these words. A correct answer would be where and when to collect them, with them substituting for insect species. If you have written your own words and they mean the same as this, you are also correct. You do not have to use words from the text. For example, locating where to collect them or locating a wide range are both correct.